What is up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 reasons why you should have a social media marketing agency in 2019. Now my number 1 reason is the fact that you can become a major problem solver for businesses all around the world. And of course, especially with social media, it's something that you can help businesses grow or save time with your services. What I mean by that is that just by generating leads, basically becoming the bridge between the client and the business owner that provides the service, you can build a very successful agency just by offering one type of service, whether it's for management or lead generation. And what happens after that is amazing, because once you're able to help a business owner grow their business, they'll love you forever, and they'll be willing to bring you on board their team and pay you lots of money for that as well. Now the second reason why is the fact that business owners don't have time to manage their social media platforms. Whether it's for LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, they're usually going to pay a freelancer or an agency to take care of all of that for them, because the time is very precious. They would rather focus on other things like managing their teams, networking, actually building their business, working on new ideas, than focusing on social media, especially when it's something that you can outsource for it to be taken care of. For example, my first client as an agency owner, that's what I did for them. I took care of their Instagram, Facebook, took care of creating content for that business. And while I was doing that, the business owner was out there working and building his business. The third reason why is that right now there are over 200 million businesses all around the world. And there are thousands still opening their doors on a daily basis. So what that creates is an opportunity for people like yourself to open an agency and help these businesses out. A lot of people think that there are a lot of agencies already and it's a saturated market, but it's completely false. There are enough businesses that need our help to grow, to get help with managing their accounts and things like that. And it's something that we can take advantage of and build our own business and create our own freedom on our own end. Now reason number 4 is actually my favorite, and it pertains to freedom. So basically, by having an agency and putting in place the right systems, the right processes, you can automate a lot of things. Basically, you can automate the entire thing and get more time for yourself as an agency owner to do whatever you want. So basically, you can buy your freedom by owning your own agency in 2019. Right now, I do personally follow several people on Facebook, Instagram, that I know personally that are currently free through the agency process, very successful agency, and you don't need a lot of customers, for example, to reach $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, depending on how you structure your pricing. As for the last reason why you should start an agency right now is the fact that you can start the agency with $0. All you need to start your agency is an internet connection, your cell phone, or your laptop. In order to get businesses results, it doesn't take a lot of investments. The fun thing is that once you get one customer, you don't even need to be the one who gets them results. You can actually outsource it to people on websites like freelance.com and other types of services, for example like Upwork, where you can hire professionals to get businesses results as a contractor, and therefore you have an agency that brings results to businesses. So the cost up front is very low, which is amazing, because once you sign that one client, you're already in profit without having to spend anything on your own marketing or on your own products if it's something that you'll eventually want to do. Now that's it for my video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed all the advice that I gave you. Subscribe to my channel, The Edge of Freedom, if you want more content like this. If you have any questions in the comment below, and I will see you soon. Peace.